Hi, I'm Steve with Diamond Case Designs, and I'd like to talk to you about our Phoenix television lifts. I think it's safe to say that all of us enjoy a good movie on our large screen television, but I think it's also safe to say that sometimes we don't want to see the television, particularly when it's not in use. In the past, we were used to using tube televisions, typically in the 32 to 40 inch range. When we wanted to hide those TVs, it required a large system of furniture, typically an armoire with pocket doors or a larger entertainment center. Today, everything has changed. With the advent of flat panel television, we're able to put larger TVs in smaller enclosures through the use of motorized lift cabinets. In the next couple of minutes, I'd like to introduce you to our line of television lifts known as the Phoenix line of lifts. I'm going to show you why our television lifts have the best feature content and are the best value in the industry. Let's start by talking a bit about the lift mechanism itself. We've chosen to partner with Nexus 21, the premium lift manufacturer in the industry, so that we're able to provide you with the best quality and features in the lift as well as the furniture itself. Let's start by looking at some of the feature content that you'll find in our lift mechanism. The lift that we use comes with a universal bracket. It's critical because it doesn't really matter which television you choose to go with, whether it's a 32-inch TV or a 65-inch TV, we've got the right lift mechanism for you. Each of our Phoenix lift systems are remotely controlled. You have the ability with the press of a button to raise and lower your television in or out of sight. The lift mechanism that we use has a very special circuit that I like to call a programmable over travel circuit. This is key. What it allows us to do is fit bigger televisions into smaller spaces. What the over travel does is it allows us to use a smaller lift column, but the lift column itself can actually raise greater than the height of the lift column itself. It's a telescoping style or an over travel style of lift. Basically, the net result is you get bigger TVs in smaller cabinets. And that's really the idea with a lift cabinet. We want to keep things concealed, but we want to be able to put the big televisions inside. The lifts are extremely durable, they're very smooth in their operation, and they're also very quiet in their operation. Because each lift is made to order, we do have a couple of options that we can consider. You do have the ability to have a manual swivel into the system, so when the television is raised into the upper position, if your room dictates, you do have the ability to rotate the television left to right to be able to see it from different areas. We also have the ability to add in what we call an optional component shelf. A good example for something like this would be, let's say we're dealing with a situation at the foot of the bed where we really want to keep the cabinet as small as possible, and it's a very simple application for electronics, maybe a cable box and a DVD. We can actually install a shelf right underneath the TV that raises and lowers with the television to hold a couple of components. Diamond Case and Nexus 21 have so much confidence in the lift mechanism that they put the best warranty in the industry on the actual mechanism. Nexus 21, which is located in the United States, puts a full 5-year warranty on their lift mechanism. That's significantly longer than the typical lift that's out there and gives you confidence knowing that you've chosen the best lift for the application. We've talked a bit about the lift mechanism. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the furniture itself. All of the lift cabinets, each of these Phoenix systems is made to order. We build them right here in the United States. We've got 2 different production facilities in Southern California, and we build our furniture made to order specifically for you. I want to stress this is not a generic imported cabinet. This is something that is exclusive to my company, my brother, myself, and my father. We own the company. It's a family operated company since 1991. We're going to build specific solutions for your application. Because each of these furniture systems is designed for your needs, we can really build in the right feature content to fit the application. These are the things that we've really become known for over the years. These features include things like wheels for mobility, removable back panels for access, internal air channels for ventilation, internal air channels for wire management, high capacity media storage drawers to accommodate your movies, your Blu-rays, your video game systems. The right features are going to be built into your system. Because we've been doing this for quite some time and we do a lot with the Phoenix line, all of these features and all of these benefits are also going to be built in at a very good value. If it's necessary for any special features, we also have some really cool and fun things available for you. We've got automated fan systems, we have remote controlled lighting systems, we can build in surge suppressors. We've got a lot of different options that are available to, again, personalize the system for your particular application. One of the last things I wanted to talk to you about is another exclusive advantage that we can offer you. At Diamond Case, we are also authorized dealers for electronics. One of the biggest advantages that we can provide if you've not yet purchased your television is we can provide you with both the TV and the furniture. We are authorized, so any television we're going to offer you is going to carry full manufacturer's warranty. Now, why is this a big benefit? If I'm providing you with the television and the furniture, we'll do what we call a bracket mounting service. This is really cool. We're going to go ahead and open up the television, physically mount the brackets to the back of the television, program the travel on the lift, space everything out properly on the lift, and essentially test and space everything for your unique television. After everything's been personally tested and spaced, we're going to put the TV back in its original factory carton, package it up, and we're going to ship both the furniture and the television out to you fully insured. Once you receive the system, this is cool. Now you can open up the TV, and instead of worrying about spacing and bracketing, which isn't hard, but it is time consuming, you can lift your TV in place and you're watching movies, playing video games that much faster. If you'd like to see some completed Phoenix systems, please spend some time on the website. We've put together a really neat portfolio to show you several different applications and sizes of lifts. If you'd like to get an idea of what these might cost, I'd encourage you to download the PDF file that you do see on your screen. We've put together a brief application and pricing guide that will show you some of the different combinations and prices that are available. But remember, each lift is made to order, so if what you see in the file is not quite what you have in mind, we're going to be building it for you anyway. And we can put the features, the size, the dimensions, the look that you want in your cabinet. Most importantly, at Diamond Case, we value a personal relationship with our customers. I encourage you to call either myself, my brother Dave, or my father Fred personally, and we'll be happy to answer your questions and make sure you choose the right features for your particular application. You can reach us at the toll-free number that you see on your computer screen.